Loading. Come on, I'm trying to get inside to get here it is. Can't wait to try out my new washing machine and drying. It does both at the same time. Isn't that cool? Let's go load it in. And oh, there it is. That was quick. Yeah. That was fun. There. Want to try and dry it? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. It doesn't work to dry it. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? Oh, this is... Okay, what is that? What is that? What is that? OMG. And this is where it goes when you dry it. Okay, I'm free now. Someone tell me why. Now I'm going to put it in there. Because that helps it work. You need like 2 of them for some reason. I don't know why, to make it like work. It depends on what you're washing to put 2 of them, like that one in there. It depends on what you're washing. Really, it does. It depends on what you're washing. Yeah. There. Yeah, it depends on what you're washing. That's why you need 2 in there. Yeah, because it depends on what you're washing. That's why. I don't know why though. Yeah. It's so weird. So weird. And there it is. What was that? I'm getting scared now. What? What? What the? Oh shoot, it's clogged. Oh gosh, this is clogged. Also, okay, why is it clogged? It's clogged. Oh, there it is. Ooh, this new washing machine is fun.